Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to calculate the volume of a 3D space in Rhino, which is super helpful for estimating how much water a floodable space can hold, like in my case a basketball court. I've already modelled my floodable basketball court in Rhino. Right now it shows the physical shape of the court, but we want to calculate the negative space or the volume it can hold when filled with water. First, group the full court geometry so you can treat it as a single object. The next step is to create the negative space. To do this, we'll make a solid box. We start by drawing a curve around the base and extruding it up to the top of the court, and then capping the object to make it a closed volume. Now we'll use the Boolean difference tool. First select the outer box volume, then select the group basketball court geometry. This subtracts the court from the box, leaving behind the void volume, which is the space that could fill with water. The next step is to repeat this for the other water collection. My other water collection space is these water tiles that have a tank underneath them. Each group of water tiles consists of 15 tiles. I've added small underground tanks beneath every 15 tiles, so I've modelled that space as well and applied the same Boolean process to get the water holding volume of the tile system. Now I have two final volumes, one for the court and one for the tiles, ready to measure. The next step is to calculate the volume in Rhino. Firstly, I'm going to isolate these volumes, and then I'm going to select one of the volumes, and in the command bar just simply type volume. Rhino will calculate the volume for you. In this case, the basketball court flood space is 1668.92 cubic meters. The tile space is 1.35 cubic meters. Now we want to convert the cubic meters to liters. Since 1 cubic metre equals 1,000 litres, you can simply multiply it or use this calculation tool on Google. Starting with the floodable basketball space, I've calculated it to be 1,668,920 litres and the tile system being 1,350 litres. That gives me an accurate idea of how much water each element can hold. And that's how you calculate volume in Rhino. Perfect for understanding how much water your design can store. Thank you for watching.